Are you tired of the constant ringing in your ears caused by tinnitus? If so, we have great news for you. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 foods you should avoid if you're dealing with tinnitus. But before we dive into the list, let's quickly understand what tinnitus is. Tinnitus is a condition characterized by ringing, buzzing, or other similar noises in the ears. It can be quite bothersome and impact your daily life. While there is no definitive cure, making dietary changes can alleviate the symptoms and make a difference. Now, let's get right into the top 10 foods to avoid for tinnitus. Sodium-rich foods. Consuming high levels of sodium can lead to fluid retention and worsen tinnitus symptoms. Try to limit your intake of salty foods and opt for low-sodium alternatives. Caffeine. While a cup of coffee in the morning may seem tempting, caffeine can increase blood pressure and intensify tinnitus. Consider switching to decaffeinated beverages and reducing your chocolate consumption. Alcohol. Alcohol acts as a stimulant and can dilate blood vessels, which can trigger tinnitus symptoms. It's best to limit or avoid alcohol altogether. Sugary foods and drinks. Excessive sugar intake can cause inflammation and negatively impact your overall health, including tinnitus. Opt for natural sweeteners or fresh fruits to satisfy your sweet tooth. Processed and fast foods. These foods often contain additives, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that can exacerbate tinnitus. Choose fresh, whole foods and cook meals at home whenever possible. High-fat foods. Foods high in saturated fats can impair blood flow and affect the functioning of the inner ear. Opt for lean protein sources and incorporate healthy fats like avocados and nuts into your diet. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners may seem like a healthier alternative, but they can still trigger tinnitus symptoms in some individuals. Limit your consumption of artificially sweetened products. Salicylates. Salicylates are naturally occurring compounds found in certain fruits, vegetables, and medications. They can potentially worsen tinnitus symptoms, so it's advisable to reduce their intake. Monosodium glutamate. MSG is a flavor enhancer commonly found in processed foods and snacks. It can cause blood vessels to expand, potentially increasing tinnitus discomfort. Check food labels for MSG and avoid it whenever possible. Dairy products. Some people with tinnitus find that dairy products can trigger or worsen their symptoms. Consider reducing your consumption or switching to dairy alternatives like almond or oat milk. And there you have it, our top 10 foods to avoid if you're dealing with tinnitus. Remember, making dietary changes is just one aspect of managing tinnitus, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos on health and wellness. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information.